complete with that, a few sweet treats.
So we've got some goodies here that are fun and festive from Deputy Food Editor of Women's Day Magazine, and Helm, Baxter.
Okay, girl,
look
how
at
are
that.
you?
I'm good.
All right, so these are all things that anybody could make, we hope,
Yes.
right?
Yes,
Yes,
especially
anybody.
this one. This is
Okay.
a great one to do with kids. You can use any cake mix, your favorite recipe. It just has to be a rectangular shape.
Just a sheet
Okay.
cake.
It's going to be a fun little Santa
Okay.
hat. All right. So we've got already covered in red, and we're going to make Santa needs a little bit of furry trim.
Oh, yeah.
So we're just going to do a couple lines.
So far, this looks like something
Something
I could do.
Yeah,
Yes,
same.
so
I'm
far.
with you.
Squeeze the frosting.
Okay.
And then you can smooth it out, and then he has some little buttons with cookies.
Oh, yeah, we could do that.
Okay.
Yeah.
That's
You're with me
super
still?
cute.
Yes, we're with
Okay,
you.
Yeah.
and then fondant, which is really easy to find.
What is it called?
It's called fondant. It's a sugar paste.
Okay.
I highly recommend buying it already pre-colored. It gets
Yes.
really messy. So this is going to be his little belt.
Okay, this is
fun.
cute.
This
Come
is
on.
cute.
And then this is the part my kids love is the gold spray. I'm not going to do it in like a big old mess, but you cut out a little gold buckle, and then
How adorable.
And you make the buckle gold.
yeah, it's just like an edible spray with a little bit of water, and that goes on, and there you go.
And that's
that
it.
is so
How
cute.
body.
cute is that? There's the
That
finished
is
product.
so
By the way,
cute.
you are right. Anyone could make
Yes,
that. All right.
very
Good.
easy.
All right, now this.
All right, definitely hot chocolate weather this week.
Yes.
So if you want to amp up your game, these are little chocolate dip peppermint
Oh.
spoons.
That's genius.
These go
I
in.
love that.
Me too. So wait.
Tap off the excess.
Okay.
Now I have kids at home, so oop, I
How
spoke
old are
that
your
one.
kids?
3 and 5.
Okay.
Tapped a little too hard.
All right.
So hot chocolate is not a hot chocolate unless it has marshmallows.
Okay.
So I'm gonna make some little snowmen on top. So 3 little marshmallows.
Come on.
And then
Did you
we
do
have
that with Haley?
Haley likes to eat everything, so I think she'd dig it.
yeah, anything with chocolate kids like.
I know, that's
All right, so
great.
he has some little hands with pretzel sticks.
Yeah.
And then lots of little fun things you can do with a hat.
Cute.
Lots of different
And
chips.
then you just use it as a spoon
Little
for
stir
your
and it
hot
melts and dips in.
chocolate.
That is
fun
super
peppermint.
That's
cute.
clever. Okay.
So now we're gonna make these little Santa hats and Christmas trees
Okay.
using meringue. Meringue can be a little bit intimidating to people.
Yes, I thought she said it's going to get easier.
I
and this
know.
one's hard.
It is easy.
Okay,
There's
okay.
three
Promise.
main rules. You need to make sure that your bowl's really clean, that you don't get any egg yolk in your egg white mix.
Okay. How
and
do
then
you
you add
make
the
a
sugar
meringue,
filling.
by the way?
You start with egg whites.
Yeah.
And you whisk them till they're a little bit frothy.
So
and then
that's
you
what this is?
gradually add, yeah. This is really all you need is 3 ingredients. Two
And then you add
ingredients,
food
actually.
coloring?
Yeah, and you want to use a gel food coloring. That's really important. Gel or powder.
Okay.
Because otherwise, you'll have very disappointing meringue.
Okay.
This is a star tip on it, so you're going to pipe into
I
these
thought
fun
that was
little shapes.
frosting.
I did too.
It tastes as good as frosting.
It does?
And then you cook these or you just leave
Yeah, so they go in a really low oven, 225 degrees,
Okay.
for about an hour, and then you take them out. This will also get a little white on top. You leave them in the oven until they're dry.
Right.
Go into white chocolate because he needs a little furry
Wow.
trim.
I
That
love
is so
that.
cute.
And some coconut. You can do the same
Oh,
for his
that's
top.
so cute.
Yeah, right onto the
Maria,
top.
when your
That's
kids
good.
were
No,
little, did you
no,
make stuff?
no.
Good, just
And the
checking.
trees just have
We're
little-
not even close to this.
The trees just have little sprinkles, but same technique.
I made things like that, but not at that level. But I was big on the cake front.
Look at the healthy situation you have at the end.
Right, this is the zero effort approach to the holidays, I like to think of it
I
as.
love this.
These are
This
just,
is
this
really
is just
pretty.
a kiwi Christmas tree with some fun pomegranates for our ornaments, pineapple star for the top.
All good. Thank you so much for these recipes and more. Head to today.com/food.
Those are really great. And then coming up, 3 easy, adorable holiday hairstyles.